Are you interested in how to delay clicks on your Lenovo Tab M8? Today, I will show you how to do it. Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. First step to delay clicks on our Lenovo Tab M8, let's swipe up our screen to go to the application menu where we have settings option. We go to the settings where we scroll down to accessibility. We press that. In it we have timing controls. We choose timing controls and their first option, touch and hold delay, where we can change from short, medium or long hold delay. Where we choose long, it can be halted when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong push it won't open anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.